In another development, Pakistan Minister Hanif Abbasi has openly threatened India with nuclear retaliation, warning Pakistan's arsenal including Ghori, Shaheen, Ghaznavi missiles along with 130 nuclear warheads are all being kept only for India. Abbasi stated that if India dares to halt Pakistan's water supply by suspending the Indus Water Treaty, it should prepare for a full-scale war. He's also said the nuclear weapons are not for display, their locations are hidden across the country, but they're ready to strike if provoked.
उन्होंने कह दिया ना कि अगर हमारा पानी बंद करेंगे तो फिर जंग के लिए तैयार हो जाएं। ये जो गोरी, शहीन, गजनवी, ये चौकों में सजाने के लिए नहीं हमने रखे हुए, ये हमने हिंदुस्तान के लिए रखे हैं बाबा। ये जो 130 एटॉमिक हमारे पास वेपन है, वो हमने सिर्फ मॉडल बनाने के लिए नहीं रखे हुए, और आपको पता ही नहीं कि हमने पाकिस्तान के किस किस हिस्से में रखे हुए हैं। ये दुनिया भी जानती है, आप भी जानते हैं, वरना आप तो इतने मक्कार बनिए हैं कि अभी तक पाकिस्तान के ऊपर कई दफा हमलावर हो चुके होते। आपने बड़ी दफा कोशिश की, लेकिन जब आपको पता चला कि हमारे शाहीन जो है फिजाओं में आ गए हैं तो आप भाग गए। जो शाहीन है, गौरी है, ये मैं फिर दोहराने लगा हूं, ये हमारे चौकों में नहीं है, ये हमारे बिल्कुल आप इनका रुख आपकी तरफ है और किसी की तरफ नहीं है। तो इसलिए ये सोचना भी ना कि आप पाकिस्तान की हदूद को क्रॉस करोगे, अगर सोचोगे भी तो उसका खमियाजा आपको भुगतना पड़ेगा।
Ambassador Bhashpati Mukherjee continues to be with us. Ambassador Mukherjee, new statements coming in from Pakistan. One of their ministers warning of nuclear retaliation. Shehbaz Sharif saying that they want a neutral probe into the attack. And you have, of course, General Asim Munir, who again has made a provocative statement trying to re-emphasize the two-nation theory and saying that people of Muslim faith and people of Hindu faith are very different.
As far as the latter statement is concerned, he made a similar statement earlier. The motive is very clear. It's to start communal riots in India after the Pahalgam attack by taking the view, reiterating the view that there have always been two nations in India as far back as when Islam came to India for the first time, and that is the Hindu and the Muslim nation. This is something that is being spouted now in order to, they must have seen the dismay, the public spiritedness of the normal Kashmiri people as to this attack, and they want now to start communal riots all over India to demonstrate that the Muslim in India is not an Indian. His heart and soul belongs to Pakistan. As far as the threat to use nuclear weapons is concerned,
yes,
it is well known, Uday, that the Americans, they are in American custody. That has been the rumor and the grapevine for a very long time now, that the Americans would never allow such lethal nuclear weapons in the custody of these mad generals in Pakistan, because there is no civilian control over their nuclear weapons, and nor have they ruled out first strike as we have. This is what is called in Hindi a false dhamki. We are prepared for it. Whenever they have felt desperate, they have used this dhamki. The point here is they never ever thought that the Indian government led by Prime Minister Modi would suspend the Indus Water Treaty, something that we should have done decades ago. There is no going back on it, and they will suffer the full consequences for it, regardless of what Bilawal Bhutto says or this mad general says. The point here is that they should also remember that we have nuclear weapons under civilian custody, and that we are not going to sit here quietly while they unleash their so-called nuclear arsenal on us.
Right.
That is not what happens, and they are a bankrupt nation who's living a hand-to-mouth existence from money given by IMF, World Bank, etc.
Okay.
Even the China stopped giving. So I think we should just ignore such ridiculous
All right.
comments.
All right. More breaking